Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the reproductive medication that comes in NCLEX, the phosphodiesterase type 5 inhibitors, PDE5 inhibitors. The indication is for erectile dysfunction by improving blood flow to the penis. Example like sildenafil and tadalafil. Contraindication: don't take within 24 hours of nitroglycerin because it causes severe hypotension. The side effects is headache, flushing, priapism. Notify healthcare provider for erection lasting more than 4 hours.